In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drawing to your Google Doc, a handy skill that can make your documents more visually appealing and informative. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, so you'll be able to confidently add shapes, arrows, and even text boxes to your Google Docs. First, we'll need to start by opening your Google Doc. Head over to docs.google.com and access the document where you're planning to add that drawing. Make sure the document is saved in your Google Drive for easy access. Logging in ahead of time will also save you a few extra steps. Once there, we'll get ready to dive into your creative side. Now that your document is open, let's access the drawing tool. It's a feature in Google Docs that allows you to create and insert drawings directly into your document. Navigate to the top menu bar, look for Insert, click on it, and from the drop-down menu, hover over Drawing. In the submenu that appears, click on Plus New. This opens up a blank canvas where we'll work our magic. With your drawing window open, you're ready to add shapes or text boxes. Take a look at the tool icons in the drawing window. You'll see an icon with a circle and a square. That's your shape icon. Clicking on it reveals a menu of options, with choices ranging from basic shapes to arrows, callouts, and even equation shapes. Click on the type of shape you'd like to use, then move your cursor to the drawing canvas. Click and hold down, then drag your mouse to draw the shape. You'll see it appear on the canvas as you adjust the size by dragging. Once your shape is on the canvas, it's time to format it. Click on the shape to select it, which will reveal additional formatting options. You can change the fill